What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Easy on the AI. I'm here to make using AI simple, made simple. So real quick, I'm going to show you how you can quickly design something for your restaurant, a brochure, or something for your company. So we're going to start real quick. I'm using what you call the magic Canva design. So I'm going to put in, let's say we have a cupcake shop. I want to create a menu for my cupcake. So I'm just going to put create me a cupcake menu. I'm just going to make it real simple. A lot of times we know it takes time to come up with ideas, but this right here make it so easy for you. Once it designs your idea, voila, there you go. So immediately this here sticks out to me. I'm going to click on that, and you're going to use Canva to edit it. So whatever the name of your cupcake shop, and as you can see, it creates it includes a list of things you can put in, what kind of cupcakes you have. As you can see, it has vanilla cupcake chocolates. You can go in there and change your prices or whatever, what have you. So this is your cupcake menu. You can go in here and edit. Let's say you call um floating cupcakes. Let's just say the name of your company is called Floating Cupcakes. Typing pretty slow. You can go in here, edit it any way you would like. You can use the same font. You can change the size. If it's too big, you can just go down. You can do this. There's so much you can do, but the ultimate thing is it's already designed. All you have to do is change the wording. Thank you for tuning in with Easy on the AI. I was trying to do it within a minute, but it's okay. It's good information. And I'm going to continue to keep bringing this information to you. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel as I continue to bring you more tools and make this AI journey very easy, because fortunately we know everything is going AI. Okay, enough of that. Thank you, and tune in again.